how to overflow on Figma. This is really about you satisfied with the progress that is really to be important to deal with what we're gonna see. It's really depending on everything that you want actually through this progress, because it's really everything that it makes me very to give you your some important things. So really what you're gonna do is about start with overflow of selecting frame. First you're gonna start to see right here the frame has been added with frame. About to click here on subpart and then type flip enable content. This is gonna make a simple thing is enabled, and once you do that you will start to see that it should be really size content beyond the frame. Okay, so that is actually how it works to add a scroll or overflow interactions if you wanted to make some kind of situations progressive. So that is really depending on how we see that is already very good and important to make it satisfied with uh, a plan that is still really going on with that, and that is about to be satisfied with that progress. And I hope this is video helpful, and good luck.